Could the secret to better health, energy, and longevity be hiding in the fruits of the tropics? In this video, uncovering the mysteries of tropical superfoods, we reveal the surprising science and cultural wisdom behind exotic foods like mango, papaya, coconut, acai, and dragon fruit. You'll learn how these nutrient-packed superfoods boost immunity, improve digestion, and fuel your body with natural energy. Whether you're passionate about superfoods, healthy eating, nutrition facts, or natural wellness, this video uncovers the hidden benefits, myths, and uses of tropical fruits that go far beyond their delicious flavors. Stay tuned until the end for practical tips on how to add tropical superfoods to your daily diet, even if you don't live near the equator. For centuries, indigenous cultures have revered certain plants for their extraordinary health benefits. These botanical treasures, often found in the world's most biodiverse regions, are now captivating the global health community. We are talking about tropical superfoods, a category of nutrient-dense powerhouses. These foods are more than just exotic fruits or vegetables. They represent a profound connection between nature's bounty and human well-being. Their unique compositions offer a spectrum of compounds rarely found in common dietary staples. Join us as we delve into the science behind their remarkable properties. What exactly elevates a food to superfood status? It's not just about being healthy, it's about exceptional nutritional density. Superfoods are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other bioactive compounds. These elements work synergistically to support various bodily functions. They often contain unique phytochemicals that provide protective effects. These compounds can combat oxidative stress and inflammation. This concentrated nutritional profile is what sets them apart from everyday produce. They offer a potent boost to overall health. From the heart of the Amazon rainforest emerges the acai berry, a small, dark, purple fruit. It's renowned for its incredibly high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins. These powerful compounds help protect cells from damage. Acai also provides healthy fats, fiber, and essential amino acids. Another Amazonian marvel is camu camu, a small reddish-purple berry. It holds the undisputed title for the highest natural vitamin C content on the planet. Just a small serving can provide several times the daily recommended intake. This makes it an exceptional immune system booster. Journeying to Southeast Asia, we discover the mangosteen, often called the queen of fruits. Its thick, purple rind contains unique compounds called xanthones. These potent antioxidants are being studied for their anti-inflammatory and immune-modulating properties. The fruit itself is sweet and tangy. The vibrant dragon fruit, or papaya, is another visual and nutritional delight. While less dense in some nutrients than others, it offers a good source of fiber and prebiotics. These support gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria. It also contains vitamin C and various B vitamins. Hailing from India and Africa, the moringa tree is a true nutritional powerhouse. Its leaves are packed with vitamins, minerals, and all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it a rare plant-based complete protein source. Moringa is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Soursop, also known as graviola, is a tropical fruit with a distinctive spiky green exterior. It's rich in vitamin C, B vitamins, and dietary fiber. Traditional medicine systems have long used soursop for various ailments. Ongoing scientific research is exploring its potential health benefits. While tropical superfoods offer impressive nutritional profiles, it's crucial to approach them with a balanced perspective. No single food can provide all necessary nutrients. A diverse diet, rich in whole, unprocessed foods, remains the cornerstone of good health. Superfoods are powerful additions, not replacements. Be mindful of marketing claims that may overstate benefits. Always look for scientific evidence to support health assertions. Incorporating these foods into your diet should complement, not overshadow, a foundation of balanced nutrition. They are tools to enhance, not cure. The growing global demand for tropical superfoods raises important questions about sustainability and ethics. It's vital to consider how these foods are cultivated and harvested. Supporting sustainable practices helps protect delicate ecosystems. It also ensures the long-term availability of these valuable resources. Look for certifications that indicate fair trade and organic farming. This helps ensure that local communities benefit from the trade. It also minimizes environmental impact. Conscious consumption empowers both your health and the well-being of the planet. Incorporating these vibrant foods into your daily routine can be both delicious and beneficial. Acai and dragon fruit are perfect for smoothies and smoothie bowls. Moringa powder can be added to drinks, soups, or stews for a nutrient boost. Camu powder blends well into juices. Mangosteen and soursop can be enjoyed fresh or as juices. Experiment with different forms, whether fresh, frozen, or powdered. Always start with small amounts to assess your body's response. Listen to your body and enjoy the journey of discovery. Tropical superfoods represent a fascinating intersection of ancient wisdom and modern science. They remind us of the incredible biodiversity our planet offers. As research continues, we will undoubtedly uncover even more of their secrets. Their potential to enhance human health is immense. Embrace the opportunity to explore these extraordinary gifts from nature. They offer a pathway to enhanced vitality and well-being. By understanding their properties and sourcing them responsibly, we can truly unlock the mysteries of tropical superfoods. Continue to learn, explore, and nourish your body. Have you tried this health tip? Share your experience below and pin a comment, and please share your favorite healthy foods. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.